All right, I am here at Ghostly Manor for Lake Erie Fearfest today. We're going to be talking about what this event is here in Sandusky as an alternative or a supplement or an addition to the fears and haunts that are at Cedar Point. So I hope you're ready. I hope you're excited. Let's get in. This is a little bit of an early preview, but we're going to find out as much as we can. And let's go! Now, first of all, Ghostly Manor has all kinds of really cool things to go see inside of it, including laser tag. There is golf. There is like mini golf. There is skating, all kinds of different virtual things. It's pretty cool inside. Go check out my video of that if you would like to go understand more about Ghostly Manor. I went there in the off season last year or 2 years ago. There are 3 different haunted houses in this area, and each of those is going to be a completely different thing. They have Ghostly Manor, Dead in the Water, Dark Mare, and Haunted Trail. Now that's like the 4th one, but that's an outdoor walkthrough area. It doesn't seem like it's the same level of excitement as far as some of the houses, but it is still something that I think could be reasonably cool. See, this is the kind of stuff that usually I'd look at and then I'd get scared by someone. The one that you see right now is Ghostly Manor. This is the all-year attraction that is at Ghostly Manor, and it is the namesake of the place, the Fun Center in Sandusky. It is a very cool looking place, and they have a lot of really cool different effects that happen inside of here. Now, a lot of this is more mechanical, but I do know that they will have more people than your normal season time coming out and scaring people inside of this haunt. But a lot of these haunts or tricks that they have are genuinely very, very creepy. And just a lot of the scenery is just really cool, like that really creepy doll that we just saw.
Towards the end, the last... out to the backwooded trail area.
Okay. Dead in the Water, Dark Mare, and then Ghostly Manor.
Yep. In the back.
This is really cool out here too.
Guy right here, and then the lights will go pitch black, and then he'll turn around and like get in their face and scare them.
Okay. Actually get wet in this haunt, so be prepared for that. They do provide ponchos though.
It's normally just mist.
A little bit of mist. Cool floor.
And a bunch of like misty, like a rain effect, and then this thing usually shoots across.
Okay, yeah.
Go across the...
Yeah.
and mist too. Yep.
Everything's floating in here. This area is all called Dead in the Water, and it is actually like you are floating underneath the water to see it. Super, super creepy, and the use of lights is really, really cool. Or it looks like it will be. You can kind of see the effect here.
So you hide underneath of it, and then no one can really see it.
Oh no! Show me all the tricks of the trade.
It's like a big old tsunami explosion. Giving them a rundown.
Dark Mare is mostly just a dark house inside. Just a dark haunted maze. So I will check that out and actually see it, but it's going to be a little bit different. It's all before any of the scare actors are here, and it starts until the 26th of September. Oh.
This will be pumped with fog as well. And there are some rooms that have like the laser rooms, but for the most part it's like a dark maze.
It's just a dark space. Yeah, there's a little bit of light in there.
Once you get around like towards the middle and stuff to be like some laser rooms.
Those are scarier though too. Wow, this seems like a really, really cool thing to go and see. There's 3 different houses, one inside that we got to go through. That is the actual Ghostly Manor. And then you've got 2 houses over here. One, the dark house, Dark Mare, and then the other one is Under the Sea. I know that's not what it's called. I forget what it's called right now. I have it on video. But it's super exciting. I'm really excited to come and experience this, and I will come and experience it this year, hopefully as early as I possibly can. We'll go check this thing out and see what is the option here. But I want to thank Ghostly Manor for having me out, for letting me check this place out a little bit, and for letting me see kind of what this place has. It's 3 different houses: Dead in the Water, Dark Mare, and Ghostly Manor. It looks like it's about $30. On top of that, I think you can get a fast pass for about like $35 or $40 to get up to the front of the line. But definitely a really fun alternative and a really fun place to come and visit for some additional scares. Also, some of the immersion of actually getting wet in some of these does also beef things up quite a bit, at least I think so. So I'm excited to check this out, and we'll go see what it's actually like. Thank you once again to Ghostly Manor for having me out. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are excited to come and visit this place and see what Ghostly Manor has to offer this Halloween spooky season. I did get a little bit more information from Ghostly Manor itself, and with that, with both regular admission and Fast Pass, guests will experience all 4 attractions, but they only get to go once per visit that they pay for. And then Fast Pass will cut down on the line so you get in a little bit faster. But I'm very excited to go check this out, and they did give me some tickets. So once again, thank you to them, and I will go actually check this out and see for myself. But I thought this was a pretty cool little preview to be able to let you guys see. Ghostly Manor is located on 3319 Milan Road or Milan Road in Sandusky, and it is happening from 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock every Friday and Saturday from September 26th through October 25th. So go get your tickets and show up. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and let's go! Okay, so general admission is actually $27.38, or you can get Fast Pass admission, and that is $37 also, or $38, something like that. So that is not in addition to your ticket. That is just an extra $10 fee to get you to the front of the line for all 3 of these houses. It looks as though you get 1 access to each house. But yeah, it's definitely cool. So let's go. Hey, thanks for watching. I release theme park related videos at least a couple times a week, so press that subscribe button if you made it this far. Also, check out similar videos in the playlist to the right, or find my newest video to the left. Thanks again, and let's go!